Wow, that looked pretty good. That looked pretty good. Whew. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking. And today we let intrusive thoughts win once again. I should make a playlist of like my intrusive thought videos. So this one hit me the other day, browsing through Pinterest, trying to find some ideas. And I saw Sloppy Joe's, I saw some breakfast things. I said, what about Sloppy Joe breakfast sandwich? And it hit me. And I said, you know what? Let's do it. So today, we're making Sloppy Joe sandwiches. We're going to start with our good old breakfast sausage. We're going to do the patties like we normally do. Today, we are doing 7 patties. 7 patties, yes. And we're just going to cut them. We kind of want them to stay thick. We don't want to get them into small cuts. We want these to stay thick. So we're going to move this into our pan. So that's right. The tots. The tots. These are great value because they're a great value. Okay. We're going to throw some in our air fryer. Just like that. 350 in my air fryer. That looks like the perfect amount or consistency of what I'm going for here. Now, so if you're using the ingredients I'm using with the swaggerty sausage or whatever it is, I'm using 7 patties. I want my gravy thick, and my sausage chunks thick. Okay, now I'm using 6 eggs, and I'm going to make scrambled eggs. I got cheese for them, and tater tots. Plain, simple hearty breakfast. All right, my eggs. Turn my pan down a little bit. Whoop. Now, do a splishty splash of milk, some cheese, in with those eggs. I'm gonna kill the heat because that pan's gonna be good enough to take it there. Now, in with our sausage, grab your flour. Mine's in this jar with a cup I broke. Splash in about 3 tablespoons. Rough go of that. I measure with my heart, but it's about 3. Shuffle everything around so it absorbs that juices, that grease. Get everything nice and coated. Perfect. It's smelling pretty good. Now, in with our sausage. You can use milk. If that's all you got, that's fine. But, whatever. I have some heavy whipping cream. 1 cup. 2 cups of that heavy whipping cream. If you have milk will work just fine. It might take a few minutes longer to bind, but it'll be just fine. Eggs looking great. Set them off to the side. Now we're just going to start whisking this. And you'll see it start getting thicker. Okay. Now, I love adding pepper, especially Southern style gravy. It's got to be peppery, y'all. To me, anyways, my opinion. Add a splash of onion powder. And we're just going to stir, baby. We want to get this gravy really thick. Well, we want this gravy thick like grits. Bam, our hash browns golden brown. Done. So there's two ways, because this gravy's looking good, looking thick, still a little runny. It's a big factor here. And with any meal, I found your bun can really make or break a meal. Morning, I have the Sara Lee Asiago buns, and they look beautiful. For the tops, I got some cheddar cheese here. Now my air fryer has a toaster option, so I'm gonna simply just put those tops in my air fryer on toast. Then melt that cheese up. Egg. 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 Guess what? Egg. And finally, egg. So, with our sloppy Joe mix, find that big spoon that you wish you had when you were a little kid to dig in the yard with. Grab that. Right over the top. Just like that. Mix up hash browns. Tater tots. They're the same thing, y'all. And it's your discretion after this if you want to put some, I don't know, grape jelly on it, strawberry jelly on it. Give that sweet and savory aspect to it. And our top bun. Voila. And y'all, just like that, we have delicious Sloppy Joe breakfast sandwiches. Alright, y'all. I guess the only thing we can do now is do the famous hunch. Get my plate. Do that famous hunch over and bite in this delicious looking breakfast Sloppy Joe. Ooh. I did indeed put some strawberry jelly up here, and it kicks back with the heat from the pepper and the peppercorn. Things just like a manwich where it's falling apart, and I'm here for it. That's a winner chicken dinner. Y'all blow my mind. I never thought I'd have so many subscribers, so many views, so many people commenting, and I love y'all's comments. I love hearing from y'all, reading y'all's comments. On that note, peace. Oh, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell notification to get notified anytime I post a video. Comment what your favorite breakfast is. If you would try this, what you would like to see. Anything. Say hi. I don't care. Just say, hey, Dad. Or, hey, how are you? It don't matter to me. I appreciate you. I do. Love you. Peace!